parents and leaders protesting the lack of a mask mandate in the Berkeley County School District. Organizers say they want to let the new superintendent, Dion Jackson, and the school board know they're frustrated. A number of people are protesting in front of the Berkeley County School District office in Moncks Corner right now. That is what's happening right now. And News 2's Berkeley County reporter Raymond Owens joining us now live from that protest. Raymond, what can you tell us?
Well, Brad, you can see the protesters right here behind me. They are very concerned about the fact that there is not a mask mandate here in Berkeley County. One of the protesters told me one of their biggest concerns is that there are three people working in schools here in the Lowcountry who recently passed away due to COVID. I called Pat Rayner. They said that happened over in Dorchester too. I called Pat Rayner with the Dorchester 2 School District. She confirmed to me that they did have a staff member pass away yesterday and two others in the past few days. She said she can't confirm their causes of death, but she told me one was a coach for JV cheerleading, another an assistant principal at an elementary school, and then a food service worker. So I have a number of people here, and they've been here since 10 o'clock today, basically saying that they believe the Berkeley County School District needs to add a mask mandate. Now I have joining me right now Sherry Howard. She's the grandmother of a Nexton Elementary student. And Mrs. Howard, tell me why specifically you said you wanted to be here today. What concerned you most about what's going on?
Well, one of the things that really concerned me is because they took down the plexiglass, they stopped taking the temperatures, and they not requiring the kids to wear a mask. Now, if we had all these things in place on the first week of school, my daughter would not have received a phone call on the second day of school telling her to come pick up her daughter because the young student that she was sitting next to has COVID. Only one day. She was in school one day, and now she has to be quarantined for 10 days. All summer long, we protected our grand. We did everything we supposed to do. She gets in school one day, and now she's got to be quarantined. We called and we asked for a Chromebook. They told us that they can't give us a Chromebook, but they will send paper home. I thought paper was obsolete. No one's using paper now, but they told her that the teacher would get in touch with her and send some paper, a package home, in order for her to keep up with the rest of the class. All right, and then next we get a phone call from the school saying she's marked absent. They forgot how to code it into the system. So now all of a sudden she's been marked absent from school for no fault of her own.
So basically you guys would like to see masks pretty much mandated throughout the school district here in Berkeley County?
Yes, sir, very much, to protect all our kids. It's not the young baby's fault who caught COVID, and then now my daughter's being quarantined. But if we had these things in place, they would have caught it before she went into the classroom. So if we can have a mask, I'm thinking it would help all our kids.
Well, thank you so much, Mrs. Howard. I appreciate your time. And again, protesters are here, and they plan to be here for a while. And basically just saying, like she said, that they would like to see masks mandated for everyone in the Berkeley County School District. Live in Moncks Corner, I'm Raymond Owens. Count on 2.